yeah, people coming in with noises and stuff, and I've got a noise on my car. Like I say, always get a noise checked out. So I've had someone coming in going, every time I turn a corner I get this noise, and I've got down the road and took a turn and there's the noise. I say, is that it? And they go, yeah. And then I've opened the glove box and there's a golf ball rolling left to right in the glove box. It's like, oh my God. And then I had somebody come to me and say, I've got this noise every time I brake. I said, okay, I'll go for the drive with you. So goes down the road, gets to the first speed bump and brakes and I hit them. And he goes, I said, is that it? He goes, yeah. And I lifted the centre console up. I said, did you see these rolling forward? Every time he braked, he was just going think and coming back. Always check noises. Yeah, that's the best advice I can give anybody is if you hear a noise on your car, get it checked out straight away. Don't leave it and think, oh, and I get people, oh, I'll just turn my radio up. You shouldn't ignore it because something's worn out, something's loose, something's broke. That's the three scenarios can be. And if something breaks on your car and it's suspension, you're going to be crashing.